Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Twitter. The first one, set up 2FA using an authenticator app. Go to twitter.com or open the X mobile app. Then click More on the top. Tap on Settings and Support. Then click on Setting and Privacy. Now, go to Security and Account Access and tap Security. Then, click Two-Factor Authentication. Check the Authentication app option. Now, click Get Started and scan the QR code using an authentication app. Enter the code shown in the authentication app. And when you're done, click Get Back App Code. On the next page, click Copy Code or make a note of the backup code, then store it in a safe place. It may come in handy if you lose access to your device. Second, set up 2FA using your phone number. In the two-factor authentication menu, click the Settings text message option. Then, tap Get Started or Got It. Upon confirmation, X sends you a one-time code to the phone number you save on it. If your current phone number is no longer the same as the one you save on X, you'll need to update it. To do so, go to More, tap on Settings and Support, tap on Settings and Privacy, then Account Information, and tap Phone. Enter the one-time code and click Confirm. It's a good idea to use multiple two-factor authentication methods. Having multiple options ensures you can log in if one of the 2FA methods acts up. We recommended activating 2FA via a phone number and using an authentication app. However, using 2FA via an authenticator app is more secure than text messages. And the last, set up 2FA using a security key. Select the security key option. You're prompted to add a key. If you have a USB key like the YubiKey from Yubico, click Add USB Security Key and insert the key into your device's USB slot, or tap it on the back if your device has NFC. You can also use your phone's fingerprint sensor for authentication. All you need to do is select your device, follow the on-screen instructions on your phone, and select Authentication via fingerprint scanner or Face ID. Then save your phone as a key. Along with securing your social accounts, a YubiKey is a terrific device for unlocking your laptop. It is a great solution for anyone who wants to add an extra layer of security to their devices and accounts. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.